Can Shiba Inu stand the test of time? Is this a meme coin that's going to last for a while? Can this thing remain in the top 20 of all cryptocurrencies for the next 20 years to come? And how much upside really is there? Yesterday, we saw a big explosion for Shiba Inu after I called out that Bitcoin dominance was slipping and I was looking for a Shiba Inu pump, an imminent Shiba Inu pump that did come. But then yesterday and overnight, we were seeing some resistance. I want to talk about why we're seeing some resistance right now and what comes next for Shiba Inu and why there is potential money that could flow into Shiba Inu at a speed you can't even imagine. And the same is true for Doge and a lot of the variety of the top coins in crypto. And I'm going to give you a perfect example to show you why. I want to talk about Shiba Inu burns, and I want to talk about the future of SHIB. So stick around for this video, guys. Welcome to the Crypto Report. I'm Crypto Kip. I got a quick update for you guys I want to share with you. So let's hop right into this one. First up, I do want to show you guys where we're at for the day. Right now, Bitcoin is coming in at $96,000, just pretty much flat for the day. Ethereum has been coming up lately, and what I really want to hone in on is taking a peek. Well, take a peek at XRP. XRP's up 100% almost over the last 7 days at $154 billion market cap. Yes, this is a Shiba Inu video, but yes, I'm going to circle back to XRP in a second here. First up, I want you guys to realize this. Our total market cap is now breaking out to the upside. The total market cap for cryptocurrency is now at $3.39 trillion in total value, and it is continuing to go to the upside. I have said for so long that we are going to have a breakthrough of this total market cap and explode to the upside, and trillions are going to flow into this space rapidly. The other thing that you were looking for, if you were wanting to see a Shiba Inu rally, which we began to see yesterday, and we're getting a little retracement today, still very much so up, but little retracement today, is Bitcoin dominance falling, and Bitcoin dominance is right now touching down onto my target beautifully. Now, I do expect there to be some resistance for Bitcoin dominance here, and right now, as Bitcoin dominance is testing on this range, Shiba Inu is also at the very same moment kind of rejecting off of this range potentially. If you can kind of see, I actually had it drawn out. I don't know where it went, but there's essentially a range here for Shiba Inu where, looking at its previous highs, you want to see this thing bounce versus Bitcoin, okay? And here's the US dollar value. This is the chart I wanted to pull up for you guys. For Shiba Inu, right now, it's going to see some resistance here kind of at this blue line, you know, kind of lower highs that we want to eventually break through to the upside. This is SHIB versus the dollar. Well, we're not breaking through that yet, and I think the reason is because right at this key moment for Bitcoin dominance, we are seeing some resistance. If we get a bounce here, Shiba Inu could continue to kind of lag in this area. It doesn't have to, really doesn't have to. Honestly, it could just soar and skyrocket no matter what, but just a hypothesis is potentially that, you know, if we see Bitcoin dominance come down through this blue line and really start to slip into the 50s, then we are going to continue to see an explosion for Shiba Inu versus the dollar, and obviously Shiba Inu versus Bitcoin. And just to rally back up to kind of this blue line up here, we still got, you know, a nice move coming for Shiba Inu, 70% pump versus Bitcoin on the table here. Now, how long can Shiba Inu stick around? You know, Shiba Inu just surged more than 11% over the last 7 days, even though the token burns aren't happening as much right now. I think a lot of people get caught up on Shiba Inu burns a lot. Now, burning tokens is great for any token, but it's not the end-all, be-all. Now, granted, if there's a huge supply burn, that's going to be great for any token, but if you're praying and you're hoping just for burns, and that's the only reason you're buying a token is because it's burning, then that's probably not the move unless there's some huge community behind it and it's like the best new thing. And look, Shiba Inu's been around for a while. The burning of Shiba Inu tokens is an old story, but it is still relevant. It brings some excitement. And so I know a lot of people want to see more token burns, but this just proves that it is not really the end-all be-all when it comes to a price surge for Shiba Inu. And, you know, the question is can Shiba Inu stand the test of time? Insiders believe that SHIB will thrive for the next 20 years, according to this article from ZY Crypto. And you know what? I've talked to some of the people that have launched Shiba Inu. One time I was at a crypto conference in Austin, Texas, just recently, earlier this year at Consensus, and I met some of the big dogs that were kind of at the forefront of Shiba Inu, people that made millions upon millions of dollars with Shiba Inu, and they couldn't have been the nicer people. I met the guy that actually owns the copyright to the Shiba Inu logo, which is kind of crazy, and I'm telling you, they couldn't be nicer people. I think that Shiba Inu can stand the test of time. How much price potential can we have for Shiba Inu? Well, I want to look really quickly at XRP. Yes, this is very relevant to you if you are a Shiba Inu holder. I know, bear with me. This is the total market. This is the market cap for XRP. And I just want to show you guys something. This is the move that XRP is getting. And a lot of people say, oh, Shiba Inu can't go that high. Dogecoin can't go that high. Why money can't flow into crypto that fast? And like, I think I'm one personally that I think Solana is going to go well above $500 because that's just a 2x. Okay. Well, the market cap's so big. Here's the deal. Here's XRP. This is November 24th where my crosshairs are right now. And this is where we are today, just a whopping month later. 1 month later, it is up 460%. That's a 5.6x. In other words, $126 billion came into XRP over the last 30 days. Look at this. Look at this. XRP was at like below 50 billion the other day. It was below 50 billion. It was like 40 billion. It was at like 30 billion. It's all of a sudden at 150 billion. That is more money than the market cap of Dogecoin and Shiba Inu combined. That is more money than the market cap of really Shiba Inu, Tron, Avalanche, Cardano, and Dogecoin combined. Okay, it flew into one currency. Okay, and I want you guys to remember that the total market cap for crypto is still only at 3.4 trillion. I think we could go to $10 trillion. Now, why am I talking about XRP? Because I wanted to make a point that in 30 days, $126 billion flew into one coin. That shows you that all of a sudden, we think sometimes, and I think this way too, oh, this market cap is too big, $17 billion market cap for Shiba Inu, 2x, oh, $17 billion is going to flow into Shiba Inu. Where's that money going to come from? Well, where the heck did the money come from for XRP? Now, there are rumors of an XRP ETF. There's a lot of hype, banks and all this, but the banks barely are using it. Some banks are using it. One day, Swift, I know the whole deal. We'll do more videos on XRP. But I talk about that just to kind of say that the money came out of nowhere because there's essentially FOMO going on right now with XRP. And at any moment, there could be FOMO playing out like that for Shiba Inu. So for those of you guys, again, and I still know today, there's people seeing XRP pumping and saying, should I sell my Shiba Inu for XRP? If you have high conviction on XRP and you want a bag of that, that's one thing, guys. But if you have high conviction on Shiba Inu and you're panic selling your Shiba Inu to FOMO into giant green candles on XRP, that never really made any sense to me. I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give financial advice, but I'm telling you guys, looking at what happened with XRP over the last really month and seeing the 5x that came on a top market cap coin, I think everybody at times underestimates how exciting and huge these bull markets can be. There's a ton of upside for Shiba Inu still. I believe we can see it over $100 billion market cap. As wild as that sounds, you've seen the pump with XRP. Oh, but it's got real utility. Yeah, it does, but it's not really being implemented yet. That can happen to any of these coins. It kind of tends to go in waves. All of a sudden, it's an XRP bump. And then all of a sudden, it's a Cardano pump. And then it's a Shiba Inu pump. And then it's a Stellar pump. And there's certain categories that pump similar to each other. And so what I'm telling you today is I think we still got a lot of bull market left. I think Shiba Inu has a ton of upside. As for $1 Shiba Inu, no, I don't believe in that. I don't believe in a penny Shiba Inu. Is certainly not in this bull market. But if it does stand the test of time and it does last for 20 years, maybe one day we will have a 1 penny Shiba Inu. That could make sense to me in the next 20 years when cryptocurrency is the standard across the globe and meme coins are really, some meme coins are going to be locked in forever. Some meme coins are going to be around for a very, very, very long time. And I think Shiba Inu is one of those that can be around for 20 years. So are you panic selling your Shiba Inu to chase some gains somewhere else? I don't love that strategy personally. I think we got a huge explosion coming in crypto, and I think Shiba Inu is going to benefit from it in a similar pump style that honestly we saw XRP do. I'm not telling you that Shiba Inu is going to flip XRP. It's not what I'm here to tell you. Clearly, XRP has more actual use case potential than Shiba Inu, but Shiba Inu does have Shibarium, and some people believe this is the meme coin super cycle, and I tend to think that this is a meme coin super cycle as well, and I'm pretty excited about it. If you want to trade Shiba Inu yourself, you can sign up for Blowfin using our link in the comments down below, up to a $5,000 deposit bonus when you do sign up using our referral link. Take advantage of that if you haven't done so already. I like trading Shiba Inu and Dogecoin and some of the larger memes because I already told you guys in several videos ago that, if you want to become a millionaire on Shiba Inu, you're going to have $100,000 in Shiba Inu or something like that. And I know a lot of people don't have that. So you could trade your way to kind of grow a portfolio. You can also lose very easily with leverage, so please be careful, guys. But if you want to try some, sign up using our link. That's all I got, guys. I'm very bullish on crypto right now. SHIBA INU is doing fine. We are seeing some resistance right here at this 4037 level. If we can break through 4037, I think that SHIBA INU is going to have a double-digit massive explosion, continuation to the upside. And we just started a new weekly candle. So this is a little bit red to start. Not really a surprise. I think at the end, this weekly candle is going to turn green for SHIBA INU. And I think we're going to continue to see some pumps. Bitcoin dominance is falling. Got to keep an eye on this here. Hopefully it doesn't get a bounce. If you're rooting on altcoins to pump, hopefully it breaks through, breaks down versus altcoins, and altcoins rip, roar, and soar to the sky. That's all I got in this one, guys. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel. DCA, HODL. Do your own research, please. This is not financial advice. And I will see you in the next one, y'all. 2 videos here. If you want to check them out, if you're watching on X, give us a repost. See you next time. Peace.